Hi children, good morning. Before starting the class, let's see an activity.
Take two charts with equal size and place the round plate on chart and mark a circle. Then cut the charts into circle shape. Now fold the chart into two equal halves. Again fold the chart into two equal halves. Now mark the lines on the foldings in two charts. Then cut the charts in one folded line. Then place the two charts like this. Now I hold the chart on one side and rotate one side. See 1 by 4. One part out of 4 parts. Again I rotate the chart 2 by 4. Then 3 by 4 means 3 parts out of 4 parts. Again 4 by 4 means 4 parts out of 4 parts are one whole. Is it clear children? Like this you have to do it in your home and show to me on next class. Now let's recap what is fractions and what are the types of fractions and its examples. What is a fraction? A fraction is an equal part of a whole. A fraction is an equal part of a whole. Can we see one example children? See in first picture the whole piece of watermelon. In second one we divide it into two. Yes, one watermelon is divided into two equal parts. So each part is 1/2. We denote 1/2 as 1 by 2. In third picture, one watermelon is divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4. We represent 1/4 as 1 by 4. See here children, in this picture 4 parts are there. In that 4, 3 parts are left. Yes, 3 parts out of 4 are left. So 3 by 4 of the watermelon is left. 3 by 4 is the fraction of this picture. Is it clear children? Types of fractions. Unit fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction. First one, unit fraction. A fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Example 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Second one, like fraction. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. Example 2 by 5, 3 by 5. In this, the denominators are same. Third one, unlike fraction. Fractions that have the different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example 1 by 3, 5 by 8. Here we have different denominators. Fourth one, proper fraction. The numerator of a proper fraction is less than its denominator. Example 7 by 8. Yes, 7 is less than 8. Fifth one, improper fraction. The numerator of an improper fraction is the same as or greater than its denominator. Example 8/3 are 8 by 3. Yes, 8 is greater than 3. Sixth one, mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is a mixed fraction. Example 2 7 by 8. Here 2 is a whole number and 7 by 8 is a mixed fraction. So 2 7 by 8 is an example for mixed fraction. Is it clear, children?
Now let us see finding equivalent fractions. In this we are going to see about how to find the equivalent fractions. Can we see an example, children?
The question is, find the equivalent fraction. A 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by dash. 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by dash. How will you get 2 here, children? See, 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by dash. Yes, if you multiply 2 in both numerator and denominator, we get
1 2 is 2, then 8 2s are 16.
Yes, the answer is 16. 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by 16. Is it clear, children?
Can we see few more examples?
The question is 3 by 5 is equal to dash by 15. 3 by 5 is equal to dash by 15. See the denominator, children? 5, 15. The number is increased. So, we have to multiply. If the number is increased means we have to multiply. If the number is decreased means we have to divide. 5 and 15. The number is increased. So, we have to multiply. How many times of 5 is 15, children? 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So, 5 3s are 15. In denominator, we have to multiply by 3 means in numerator also we have to multiply by 3. Yes, we should multiply the same number in both numerator and denominator. So the number is 3. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. So the fraction is 9 by 15. 9 by 15. Answer is equal to 9 by 15. Is it clear, children? Can we see one more example?
The question is 3 by 4 is equal to 18 by dash. See here, children. 3 by 4 is equal to 18 by dash. How many times of 3 is 18, children? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. Yes, 3 6 are 18. In numerator, you have to multiply it by 6 means denominator also you have to multiply it by 6. So, 4 6 are, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, then 6 4s are, yes, 6 4s are 24. At last, answer is equal to 18 by 24. Is it clear, children? Find 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Find 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3.
The question is, see 2 by 3. First one into 2. Second one into 3 by 3. Third one into 4 by 4 and fourth one into 5 by 5. First, we have to find the value for 2 by 2. Yes, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Yes, our answer is correct. Then by 3. See, already we gave 9. 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. Then for third one, we have to multiply by 4. Yes, 2 4s are? Yes, 8. Then 3 fours are 1 3 is 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, then 4 threes are very good 12. Then fourth one multiplied by 5. 2 fives are, what is 2 fives are children? 1 5 is 5, 2 fives are 10. Then 3 fives are, what is 3 fives are? Very good. 3 fives are 15. See here children, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15. These are the first 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. At last, answer is equal to 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12 and 10 by 15. These are the first 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Is it clear children? Can we see one more example?
The question is 3 by 4 is equal to dash by 8 is equal to 18 by dash. 3 by 4 is equal to dash by 8. See here children, 4 tends to 8. Yes. How many times of 4 is 8 children? Yes. 2 fours are 8. We have to multiply it by 2. In denominator we have to multiply it by 2 means in numerator also we have to multiply it by 2. Then 3 twos are 6. Here 6 by 8 is equal to 18 by dash. How many times of 6 is 18 children? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. Yes, 6 3s are 18. We have to multiply it by 3. In numerator, we have to multiply it by 3 means in denominator also, we have to multiply it by 3. Then 8 3s are, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are, very good, 3 8s are 24. Yes, see here children, for first one we have to multiply it by 2. Then for the next we have to multiply it by 3. In common we have to write it as 2 3. Yes, we have to write it as 2 3s are 6. Commonly 3 by 4 is multiplied by 6 means we get 18 by 24. Yes, is it clear children?
The question is list some equivalent fractions. 2 by 7. See here children, 4 by 14, 6 by 21 is given. We have to find 3 more answers. See, first 4 by 14. We have to multiply this into 2 means 2 2s are 4, then 7 2s are 14. Yes, 4 by 14. Then for next one, we have to multiply by 2. No, we have to multiply by 3. Yes, 2 3s are 6, then 7 3s are, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. Then for the next dash, we have to multiply it by 4. Yes, 2 by 7 into 4 by 4. Yes, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 7 4s are, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are, very good, 7 4s are 28. Yes, 8 by 28. Then for the next one, we have to multiply it by 5. 2 by 7 into 5 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Then for 7 5s are, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are, yes, 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 10 by 35. Then for the next one, we have to multiply it by 6. 2 by 7 into 6 by 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. Then 7 6 are 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36. Then 7 6 are, yes, 7 6 are 42. The answer is 12 by 42. At last, the answer is equal to 8 by 28, 10 by 35 and 12 by 42. Is it clear, children? Can we see one more example?
The question is 5 by 6 tends to 10 by 12, comma dash by dash, comma dash by dash, comma dash by dash. First one given, we have to find the remaining 3 more dashes. Yes, 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by 12. How many times of 5 is 10, children? Very good. 2 5s are 10. Yes. Then 6 2s are 12. Yes. For first time, we have to multiply it by 2. Then for the next one, we have to multiply it by 2. No, we have to multiply it by 3. Yes. 5 3s are 15. Then 6 3s are 18. Then for the next one, we have to multiply it by 4. Yes. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Then for the last one, we have to multiply it by 4 after 5. Yes, we have to multiply it by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 6 5s are 30. Yes, the answer is 15 by 18, 20 by 24 and 25 by 30. Is it clear, children?
Okay, children. Bye. Take care.